Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install PostgreSQL 14 on Windows operating system. Go to postgresql.org website. See here, 30th September 2021 PostgreSQL 14 release, that is today. Now go to this release notes and see the new features of PostgreSQL 14. See, this is the overview. Go through them, go back, click on download. Now click on the operating system. Here we have Linux, Mac OS, Windows, BSD and Solaris. In this video, we are going to install PostgreSQL 14 on Windows. Click on Windows. Notice here, it is showing only up to 13. Click on this download installer. There you will see PostgreSQL 14 for Windows. See here, the latest version, that is 14. It is downloadable for Mac OS X and Windows x86 64. Click on this download button. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, size is 280 megabytes. I have already downloaded PostgreSQL 14 exe file. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then go to the downloaded folder. Double click on this PostgreSQL Windows.exe file or right click on it and select open. If it prompts user access control pop-up, then click on yes. Click on next. This is the default path selected by PostgreSQL server. This is the default installation directory to store the PostgreSQL files and folders. If you want to change, click on this folder icon and select the path where you have enough space. Now click on next. These are the 4 components. First one is PostgreSQL database server pgadmin 4. This is the GUI tool to connect PostgreSQL databases and server. Stack builder. It contains additional tools and applications. Command line tools. These are the tools which used to perform the backups and other operations. In this video, I am going to install 3 components. Stack builder we can install later. I am unselecting this stack builder and click on next. This is the directory to store the PostgreSQL server data. Again, if you want to change data directory, select this directory icon and select. Then click on next. Here we have to provide the password for PostgreSQL server super user, that is Postgres. Postgres is the super user for PostgreSQL database server. Provide the password. Then click on next. Select the language. I am going with default local. This is the summary. Click on next. Again next. Now installation process has been started. PostgreSQL 14 version has been installed successfully on Windows. Click on finish. Now we have to verify whether PostgreSQL server is started or not by going to start on services.msc. See here, PostgreSQL 14 is installed and its status is running and startup time is automatic. If you want to stop, click on the stop button or right click and click on stop. If you want to restart, then click on restart or select the service and click on stop to stop the service, or here click on the stop link to stop the PostgreSQL server. The same way, if you want to restart, click on this restart link or click on this restart service link. Click on this restart service button. Now open PostgreSQL server and connect it. Go to start program, scroll down to PostgreSQL 14. Click on SQL shell, that is PSQL shell. Here server is localhost, database is also Postgres, port also we have given 5433. Username Postgres user. Press enter. Provide the password for the super user which we have provided at the time of installation. We have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Let's verify the installed version is 14 or not. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 14 version. Verify list of the databases. See, by default PostgreSQL has created 3 databases. Also verify list of users. Command is /du. See, by default it has created one super user, that is Postgres. Now connect to pgadmin. Search pgadmin. Then click on pgadmin 4. pgadmin is the graphical user interface tool to connect to PostgreSQL server. Now click on servers and select server. Here host address is localhost and port number is 5433. Username is Postgres and password for the Postgres user. You have to provide the name for this host. Save. See, this is the typo error. Now click on save. Also I have given port number wrong. It is 5433. See, we have successfully connected to my PostgreSQL server. See, we have this Postgres database. If you want to create database, then right click on databases and select create and database. We have to provide database name, owner name, definition, security and other parameters. So in this video we have seen how to download and install PostgreSQL 14 version on Windows operating system. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.